Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Today, I will review the Altoz TRX 766 zero-turn mower with tracks. First, let's take a look at the Altoz brand. Altoz is one of the newer commercial mower brands. They first revealed a mower at GIE in 2012. They're the first brand to make zero-turn and stand-on mowers with tracks. They now have a fairly extensive fleet of zero-turn and stand-on mowers, all of which are premium quality and of course come with a premium price tag. Today's top Altoz model making rounds in the market is the TRX 766, a zero-turn mower with tracks. Even though the model has been rocking the market since 2017, the question remains whether the hype is justified by the cost and performance. That's just what I'm going to crack. Why does Altoz TRX 766 have tracks? The key reason the zero-turn comes with tracks is that, just like tanks, these tracks can easily navigate wet ground, dry lands, and all kinds of terrain. Altoz TRX 766 is in fact the first mower in the industry to come with tracks. The mower has patent-pending technology and a suspension system. No matter how bad the terrain is, it can roll through it without damaging the ground, causing ditches or digging up ruts. It comes with flat-free front tires and tracks attached via fork casters with 1 1/4 inch paper roller bearings, minimizing any chances of tire damage even when the lawn mower is moving at its top speed of 10 miles per hour. This mower gives you fantastic control on slopes, challenging terrain, and landscapes. Let's start with its features. First, the engine. The Altoz TRX 766 zero-turn mower has a Kawasaki FX1000 EFI 38.5 horsepower engine, which gives it consistent performance over long, complex, and challenging demands. The FX1000 EFI engine is a great option and has plenty of power. This is a very popular engine for this top-of-the-line grade of mower, so this is a safe choice if you're working on a commercial property or large landscape. Transmission. The Hydro Gear ZT 5400 hydrostatic commercial grade transmission gives it a high speed of up to 11 miles per hour. This is fairly in line with competitors and definitely fast for having tracks. Apart from the speed, the transmission system gives it high responsive power, smooth operation, and high torque. Fuel capacity. The mower has a 14-gallon gas tank sufficient to last for hours of mowing wide yards without downtime. This means you have to make fewer stops to refuel and work on large properties while saving time and effort. The feature is particularly helpful in demanding conditions where you'll have longer operational hours or remote jobs. Track system. The Altoz TRX track system revolutionizes zero-turn mowing with its patented rear-mounted track design engineered for challenging terrain where traditional wheeled mowers fail. The tracks feature durable steel cable construction encased in vulcanized rubber, providing puncture resistance and longevity. The 11-inch wide tracks work with a torsional axle suspension system, allowing independent articulation for superior ground contact. No matter the conditions, the track system always provides excellent performance. The track makes it better suited for all types of environments and terrains as compared to other zero-turn mowers, which are often restricted due to their wheels on different terrains or weather conditions. Wide tracks. Tracks are 11 inches wide. That's wide enough to provide stable support and even weight distribution for your body and the mower. It allows for the mower to perform very well on hills and steeper terrain. Rear torsional axle suspension. The rear torsion axle suspension track system works in conjunction with responsive hydro gear transmissions. This torsional design allows each track to articulate independently, maintaining constant ground contact across uneven terrain. The system enables tracks to contour to ground surfaces while bridging over holes and depressions. Front suspension integration. The track system pairs with Altoz's Torque Flex front suspension and flat-free tires. Fork casters utilize heavy-duty 1 1/4 inch tapered roller bearings for durability. This combination ensures weight transfer remains optimal during slope operation. Cutting deck. 66 inches of fabricated cutting deck carved from high-strength steel are designed for ultimate precision across all kinds and types of terrains. You can also set the cutting heights per the requirement from 1.5 to 5 inches. The Altoz TRX mower is definitely not most known for its quality cut. It does a decent job at mowing lawns, but it's most known for the places you can mow with it. If you're looking for a mower that gives the best cut quality, this definitely isn't the mower for you. The TRX is more of a brush mower and is made for crazy terrains that other zero-turn mowers can't go. Some of you may say that most of these features are familiar to other zero-turns. So what makes Altoz TRX 766 worth buying? One extraordinary feature of this model is its corrosion-resistant aluminum spindles and strong frame, which make it a lasting model and increase its ability to withstand the tests of time and weather conditions. As mentioned before, the biggest feature that enhances its movement is the tracks. No matter how deep, uneven, wet, or dry the terrain is, TRX 766 emerges as a clear winner. The ability to make it through all kinds of terrains is one area where other zero-turns can't beat it. They either stop working, get stuck in ditches, or struggle to move forwards or backward. Of course, it also affects their ability to mow. Altoz TRX, on the other hand, doesn't sink, struggle, or slip. It maneuvers through the terrain, cutting through the grass with unmatched precision. It mows like a professional mower with all its top zero-turn features. Also, its high fuel capacity tanks and power engine are best for large landscapes and extensive lawns. Let's talk about the limitations of this mower. Price. It's a premium product, so it comes at a high price. It will be a big investment which may deter homeowners or landscapers looking for a basic type of zero-turn. Wait. Secondly, given its tracks, it's heavy. The mix of heavy steel and the tracks make this mower a couple 100 pounds heavier than the comparable zero-turn. This is to be expected and probably isn't that big of a deal for most people looking to buy this mower. Difficult to find replacement parts. Another thing I would like to warn you about is that these kinds of zero-turns with tracks are pretty rare in the market today, so you may have a hard time looking for parts in case of repairs or replacements, which will not be easy. Also, unlike wheels, the tracks are hard to navigate through tight areas or obstacles. So if your yard or the property you intend to mow has many barriers or constricted terrain, this may not be the best option for you. What's this zero-turn best for? TRX 766 combines precision power and traction in one unit. These features make it the best option for mowing commercial lawns or across diverse terrain. It is indeed a robust machine, but it is still ideal for mowing fields in areas with steep hills. I consider it an all-rounder that can be used on challenging up and down terrain as well as smooth and aesthetic grass yards or landscapes. Essential accessories to use with your mower. Even though the track's functionality is rather limited compared to other wheeled zero-turns, you can try these accessories with your Altoz TRX 766. If you're into upgrades like me, you'll love these accessories by Altoz. They're all top quality and enhance the appeal and functions of both machines. Slope meter helps users assess the slope incline. Bag collection system, wide space for collecting grass clippings and leaves. Spreader. It can also be coupled with a spreader to sprinkle light rock salt, fertilizer, or other applications. There are a ton of different attachments made for this mower. This can be a major reason to buy it if you're looking for an all-in-one mower that can complete a lot of other jobs as well. Where to buy Altoz? Altoz mowers are sold through the independent dealer channel. This means you'll need to go to their dealer locator to find the closest dealer to you. Since Altoz is relatively new, their dealer channel isn't quite as vast as other mower manufacturers like Toro, Skag, and John Deere. To conclude, Altoz TRX is for those who seek nothing but the best. The zero-turn is premium quality in terms of design, operation, control, and performance. Given its quality construction and tracks in place of wheels, it easily beats its competition. If you want to learn about the latest lawnmower models or lawn accessories, visit my website, lawngrowth.com. I'll see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. Also, leave me suggestions on what you want my next video to be about. I'd love to hear from you. It's me signing off for now. I'll catch you in another exciting video soon. Adios.